Hello everyone, this is Devi Siran from Department of Biotechnology, KL University. Now I'm here to explain estimation of Reynolds number in a CSTR system. Aim to estimate Reynolds number and growth of microbial system at different flow rates. Introduction. Reynolds number is used to estimate the type of rheological property. Rheology is the study of fluid flow characters under an external force. The main objective of this experiment is to determine types of fluid flow characters using continuous stirred tank reactor. CSTR means continuous input to the reactor and continuous output from the reactor. Fluid flow characters are defined based on Reynolds number. Reynolds number can be expressed as NRA equal to du bar rho by mu. D is diameter of the bioreactor, U bar is fluid velocity, rho is fluid density, and mu is fluid viscosity. Reynolds number is a dimensionless quantity. We can prove that Reynolds number is dimensionless quantity by converting these units into dimensions. L t power minus 1, ml power minus 1, t power minus 1, L. So if we substitute these dimensions in this formula, we will get ml power minus 3, lt power minus 1, and L by ml power minus 1, t power minus 1. T cancel, cancel, and L power minus 3, LQ. Here we will get 1. Hence we prove that Reynolds number is dimensionless quantity. Fluid flow characters are three types: laminar flow, transition flow, and turbulent flow. Laminar flow is observed if the Reynolds number value is less than 2100. Transition flow is observed if the Reynolds number is between 2100 to 4100, and turbulent flow is observed if the Reynolds number is above 4100. Materials required: CSTR system, compressor, sparger, peristatic pump, bioreactor, microbial system. Here we took microbial system as E. coli and it can vary from experiment to experiment. This is a rough sketch of the experimental setup. Procedure. Select the suitable microbial system for continuous stirred tank reactor. Supply microbial system to the CSTR with the help of peristatic pump. Switch on the impeller with low pressure in order to maintain the growth of microbial system. Collect the output from the reactor with the help of peristatic pump. Measure how much time taken for 10 cm rise in fluid flow rate in the collecting tank. Calculation. In order to find the Reynolds number, we need to follow two steps. Q equal to AR by T. Here Q is volumetric flow rate, A is area of impeller, and R is scale. Area of the impeller and scale is constant throughout the process. As the area of the impeller remains constant, U bar equal to Q by A. U bar equal to area of average velocity, and A is area of collecting pump. This also remains constant throughout the experiment. NRA equal to du bar rho by mu. D is diameter of collecting tank, rho density of microbial system, mu is dynamic viscosity. These three also remains constant throughout the experiment. Here is a sample explanation of the how to calculate Reynolds number. Q equal to AR by T. A is 0.106 into 10 power minus 1 by T. Time varies and these both remains constant. U bar equal to Q by A. Q can be calculated from the above equation and area of the impeller remains constant throughout the experiment. Then NRA equal to du bar rho by mu. D is 1.290. U bar can be calculated from this expression and rho is 3.68 into 10 power minus 3 by 20. NR equal to 8.54 into 10 power minus 2. Need to convert gram per ml to kg per meter cube. Area of the impeller, area of the collecting pipe can be calculated by using this formula: A equal to pi by 4 d square. Here d square varies from devices to devices and d square is diameter of the collecting pump. And here this area can be calculated by using this formula: pi by 4 d square. Here d square means a diameter of the impeller. Here is a table for calculating the NRE. Result. The following fluid flow characters observed in CSTR system is laminar flow. Thank you.